Hi there, my name is Anne. I'm gonna show you how to knit this super easy pattern on a single bed knitting machine. I used the pattern in the front of a very nice kid sweater. So let's go! First of all, I knitted just a few rows to begin with. Then I choose where I want the pattern to be. You take one stitch and put it on the needle right next to it. You can put it on the needle on the left or the right, that's all fine. Then you knit one row and you've created a little hole. Next, you're gonna take the stitch on the left and on the right of the little hole you've created and put it on the center needle. When you knit the next row, you're about to create two holes now. Then you take the stitch on the center needle again and put it on the needle right next to it. You can choose again the left or the right of it. You'll notice that I'm putting my needles in D position. It's not really necessary, but it makes it easier for the carriage to knit the next row, and sometimes I do it out of hand. There you go, our little pattern is all finished. I'll do one more so you can see it again. Finally, I knit a few rows to finish and I take it off the machine. There you go, we've created a little fantasy in our knitting project. Thanks for watching and see you next time!